drones can be a total headache to set up. Check the link in the description for the best price. Today we are looking at the Punieayi GPS drone, which aims to make flying simple for beginners. It features a built-in screen, so let us see if it actually delivers. Let us take a look at the flight controls and the general ease of piloting this drone in various conditions. Getting in the air quickly matters for beginners. This drone focuses on simplified controls to help you spend more time flying and less time configuring settings. The GPS-assisted flight provides a stable hover, which is helpful when you are learning to manage the controls. Having a dedicated screen on your remote is a fantastic convenience that keeps your phone completely out of the equation. The advertised range and altitude are adequate for beginners, but more advanced users might find themselves wanting more room to roam. The combination of GPS stability and one-key flight functions makes this an excellent starting point for any new pilot. Next, let us dive into what comes in the box and how the design holds up for daily use. A drone needs to be reliable and portable. We are evaluating how well this package holds up for someone constantly on the move. Including 2 high-capacity batteries allows for much longer sessions before you need to pack up and head home. The foldable design is lightweight enough to carry in a backpack for all your outdoor adventures. You do not need to worry about subscriptions or app permissions because the system is entirely self-contained. This is a great complete package that provides everything a new pilot needs to get started. This drone earns its spot for those who hate app-heavy setups. By removing the need for a smartphone, Punieayi makes getting airborne much faster for a first-time pilot. While it does not compete with cinema-grade drones, the included screen and extended battery life offer a solid value. If you just want to fly and record without the hassle, this is a very capable option.